This time, let me explain corner type impact wrench, C1400. This is calculator blade. When you want to replace it for the normal impact wrench, the gap is too small to install. You can install it. Then you can use this type, corner type impact wrench. The size is very small and like this. So please let me explain about the advantage of C1400. This is normal angle type impact wrench. For normal type, this is the impact mechanism part. So after impact mechanism, there's a bevel gear. In that case, the impact is affect this bevel gear a lot, and this part is very easily broken. But for this one, bevel gear is before the impact mechanism, and impact mechanism is here, and this lifetime is much longer than normal type.